Hello and welcome to Daxys. Today I will show you how to assemble your brand new Daxys Ox. For an easier unboxing experience, you might want to gently lay the box down and remove the staples on the sides. In the packaging, you will find a box marked accessory box, which contains the charger, the Allen keys set, the pedals, and a 15mm wrench, Once the bike is out, lift it and separate the front wheel and handlebar by cutting the cable ties. Then remove the protective foam and packaging cardboard. Be careful not to damage anything in the process. Next, loosen the stem bolts and rotate it 180 degrees. Before tightening the bolts, make sure it is in a perfect T-shape. Adjust the handlebars to the desired height. Then flip the bike over. Remove the brake pads and the fork protector. Then loosen the front wheel bolts with the 15mm wrench. Give the wheel a quick spin and listen to the sound it makes. Tighten the nuts with the 15mm wrench as tightly as possible. If you hear any rubbing sounds, adjust the brake pad as shown. Flip the bike and install the handlebar. First, remove the 4 stem cover bolts. Place the handlebar in the steering shaft using the printed mark as a guide and screw the bolts back in to roughly 90%. Adjust the handlebar to the desired position and finish tightening the bolts. For easier access, you can loosen the color LCD display. Next, install the front light and mudguard as shown. Use an Allen key to tighten the front-facing bolt and, if needed, a socket screw for the screw in the back. Don't forget to secure the mudguards onto the front shock sockets. Install the pedals using the arrows as guides for mounting. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten as much as possible. The provided keys will allow you to remove or lock in place the battery. After unlocking the battery, turn the release latch located on the underside of the frame to remove the battery. To charge the battery, first connect the charger, then plug it into a suitable power source. It will indicate green when fully charged and red while still charging. Have fun, take care, and enjoy your new Daxys Ox.